Okay, I just want to show you guys what's going on here. If you're using Firefox and you can't leave comments on YouTube videos in the comment section, what you want to do is just open up a new browser, about.config. It'll take you to this page. You say, okay, you just type in this box, dom.event.clip. Got it here, dom.event.clip. You don't even have to type in the whole thing. Just start typing. And dot event, and then this first one that pops up, clipboard events not enabled. That's the one you just double click it, and change it from true to false by just double clicking this bar anywhere. This will be on true most likely. Just double click anywhere here and it will change to false. You want it to say false. Okay, so now you should be able to go back to YouTube and place comments. It's just some kind of a defect with Firefox. So clipboard events enabled, value false, and all you have to do is just double click on it. Okay, if this helps, please like and subscribe to this video so that other people can also fix this problem.